Puppies bloom for just a few weeks before they die. Frogs live for a few years. We humans can live to be over 100 years old. All organisms go through different stages as they grow and develop into mature adults. Adults that are capable of producing their own young. These stages are called a life cycle. Humans grow from babies into children. Then comes a stage called adolescence. Between the ages of around 13 and 16, children's bodies go through a number of changes to become an adult. Once adults, they can make their own babies. Frogs have a very different life cycle to humans. They hatch from eggs, not as baby frogs, but as fish-like animals called tadpoles. At about 4 weeks old, the tadpole starts its incredible transformation into an adult frog. This change is called metamorphosis. Legs appear, and the tadpoles become froglets. At 9 weeks old, the froglet loses its tail and grows a tongue. At 16 weeks, metamorphosis is complete. The frog can now lay its own eggs, and the life cycle continues. Puppies are plants and begin their life cycle as seeds. The seeds germinate into seedlings. Within just a few weeks, these mature into adult plants that produce their own seeds. And the life cycle continues.